Welcome to my review of Geckoboard, a powerful business analytics tool that enables teams to visualize their key metrics in real time. In today's fast-paced world, understanding and acting on data quickly is essential for business success. Geckoboard claims to provide a simple yet effective solution. But how does it really measure up? Let's take a closer look at what this platform offers. First, let's start with the core features. Geckoboard is all about simplicity. It provides a clean, intuitive interface where you can track your business metrics, from sales performance to marketing analytics, all in real time. You can pull data from a variety of sources, like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and even social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. It's designed to give you a high-level overview of your key performance indicators, or KPIs, without the complexity of other analytics platforms. Setting up Geckoboard is relatively easy. The interface is user-friendly, and the setup process is straightforward. You can quickly connect your data sources and start building your custom dashboards. There's a wide selection of templates available, which can save you a lot of time if you're new to dashboard creation. Customizing the layout is also simple, allowing you to focus on the metrics that matter most to your team. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. While Geckoboard is easy to use, it's not as feature-rich as some other analytics platforms. If you're looking for advanced data manipulation or in-depth reporting, you might find Geckoboard lacking. Additionally, while the visualizations are attractive, they don't offer the level of customization that some other tools provide. For teams that need very specific data displays, this could be a limitation point. One thing to note is that Geckoboard is designed primarily for teams. Its real-time data sharing and collaboration features make it ideal for businesses where multiple people need to access and act on data at the same time. However, if you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business owner, you might find the subscription price a bit steep for what you actually need. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of pricing, Geckoboard offers a few different plans, which are based on the number of users and the features you need. While it's not the cheapest option available, its ease of use and reliability may justify the cost, especially for larger teams who need to manage and analyze data on the go. Overall, Geckoboard is a solid choice for businesses that need a straightforward, easy-to-use tool for tracking key metrics. Its real-time dashboards and integrations with popular data sources make it an excellent option for teams looking to stay on top of their performance. However, if you're after advanced analytics or highly customizable reports, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching my review of Geckoboard. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of business tools and software.